Okay, see, question number 16. The area in square units of the region, what is that region? Set. Yes, sir. For all values of complex numbers, z belongs to complex numbers, modulus of z minus 1 is less than or equal to 2. That means this is a circle having radius 2 and center as 1. Center as 1 means 1 plus 0 or 1 minus 0. I0. Okay? Z plus Z bar plus I, Z minus Z bar is also less than or equal to 2. Less than or equal to 2 only, or? Yes. One is circle, another one, this may be line. And see, imaginary part of Z is greater than or equal to 0 means that is also one condition where that area you have to take. And why? Because the area only you are going to find. That area you have to find. This is good question. Observe carefully. With our earlier questions knowledge, easily we can do. Okay? Let us proceed. Now let me write this first one. Circle. Modulus of Z minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 means, see here center I will take as 1 comma 0. Okay? Z minus 1 means Z minus 1 plus I0. And the radius comma R is equal to 2. Now how can we write this equation? First let me write the equation, then we will go for drawing. See, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 2 square. Okay, this is equation number 1, circle equation. Now let us draw at one go. Let us draw at one go. See, so this is 0. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, let us see what will happen in that. Okay, now see here what will happen. Center is 1, 0 and radius is 2. Center is 1, 0 means here. Radius is 2. 2 means here 3. Okay. Here minus 1. Why? Because see from minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1 is radius 2. 1 to 2, 2 to 3 is radius 2. Okay. This is the circle. Now where it is touching? Exactly on front of the top at 2. On bottom of the top at minus 2. Here these are touching. Okay, this is the circle. Now go for line next. This line. What is this line? This line Z plus Z bar means shall I write 2x plus I. Z minus Z bar means 2iy or I2y is less than or equal to 2. 2 if we cancel out. 2 if we cancel out. See, I square means minus 1. X minus y. X minus y is less than or equal to 1. See, cancelling means 1 will come here. This is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now you have to plot this x minus y is less than or equal to 1 also on this line. See how I am plotting, observe carefully, very carefully. See, when x is equal to 0, minus y is equal to 1 means y is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. That means this point. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. This point. That means, see, first of all, you or these 2 points like this. Okay. Now this I will write. No, they have not given anything. That is why I am not writing anything. See, this is line. This is circle. Now you tell me which area you have to take here. First of all, x minus y is less than 1. See, first of all, see here, z minus 1 is less than equal to 2 means inside only you have to take. Inside the circle. Okay, all inside circle we will take. That is not a problem. Another thing, x minus y should be less than 1 means see, x minus y, if it goes this side, this is greater than 1. After 1, 2, 3 like that it is coming. But inside up to 3. We should not take that. Why? Because see, less than 1 you have to take. Less than 1 means see, here you have to take. That means see, this area you have to take. This area total. But is there any other condition? Yes, sir. Imaginary part of z is greater than 0. Imaginary part means y. See here y is less than 0, here y is greater than 0. Why? Because y is negative, y is positive. That means y is positive you have to take. Y is positive you have to take means see, this area you have to take. Total. This area. Now I am shading this area. Okay, this area you have to take. How to calculate this area? Why? Because see, semicircle we can calculate, full circle we can calculate, but how to calculate this area? Is there any hint or any method? Yes, some method is there. Why? Because see, what I want to say I will take this y, I don't take O. Why? Because here O is your origin. I will take this as A, B, okay, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D, A will be your required area. See how I am writing. Required area. Required area is equal to A, B, C, A. A, B, C, A. Okay. How we are going to get A, B, C, A? That is equal to A, B, C, D, A minus A, C, D, A. Total A, B, C, D, A minus A, C, D, A. Why? Because see, A, B, C, D, A you can find easily semicircle, 50% of the circle radius. Why? Because radius you are having, radius is R2. Okay. Radius you are having R2. Pi r square. You can find easily. You have to subtract this area. ACDA. ACDA you can subtract from this. Then you can get this area. But for subtracting this ACDA, let me write first ABCDA semicircle area. Area ABCDA is equal to pi r square by 2. Okay. Total divided by 2. Total divided by 2. Okay. Semicircle. That is equal to. See, pi you keep like this only. R square means 2 square. 2 square by 2. That means what will happen here? 1, 2 going to get cancelled out. That means 2 pi. See, total area, that means semicircle area is 2 pi area. 2 pi square units. But ACDA you have to subtract. ACDA. If you subtract, then total required area is going to come. How you are going to find ACDA? See, if you are able to find this angle theta, then you can find that area, ACDA area. How you are going to find theta? Yes. See, find the slope of this line. Slope of line, comma, x minus y is equal to 1. Why? Because see, while finding slope, I will take equal to x minus 1. Implies y is equal to x minus 1. Implies m is equal to 1. Slope is equal to 1. Y is equal to mx plus c. Okay. Implies tan theta is equal to 1. Implies theta is equal to 45 degree. Do you accept? Okay. Slope is 1 means slope is nothing but your tan theta. Tan theta 1 means theta will be 45 degree. That means see, this is having 45 degree. What is that 45 degree? Pi by 4. Theta is equal to pi by 4. Now if you know the radius and theta, then you can find any one sector radius. This is sector area. Sector area of ACDA is equal to, see, total pi by 4 divided by 2 pi into pi r square. See, full area, or else we can say 45 degree by 360 degree total area. Okay, that is equal to 45 degree by 360 degree into pi r square. Pi into r square means 2 square. Okay, see, 5 nines, 5 sevens are 35, 5 twos 72, 9 ones 9 eights. Okay, that means see, 4 pi by 8 or else pi by 2. Okay, that means see, here this area is pi by 2. Now you subtract from 2 pi. Required area is equal to 2 pi minus pi by 2. Okay, 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 will be your answer. Now we will stop this class. We will continue in the next class. Thank you very much.